The U.S. federal government is set to shut down Wednesday morning, 1 minute past midnight. How will the stock market respond to that? Now, every single stock market during any kind of economic environment will respond differently. If we look at the very last shutdown, it was for 35 days. It was during Trump's first administration from about December 22nd all the way into January, lasting 35 days. The stock market itself, as it turns out, bottomed on the 24th of December, then shot up over 20%. The bond market itself, interest rates on the long end, the 10-year, fell significantly. Could we see the same thing happening this time around? Unfortunately, this environment is a bit different. One of the key aspects is whether or not the AI trade is going to be sold off. Nvidia is doing very well, but other stocks are being called out by analysts, and we could see some selling going into that. Now, we could see some choppy trading over the next couple of days, but over the long haul, the stock market at this point is kind of getting numb to anything coming out of Washington. They're basically just looking at earnings. So it's very possible that we'll see some choppiness because of outside factors. We could see some selling going into Wednesday or Thursday, but we also have a very important economic indicator Friday that the market is going to be looking at more so. On top of that, Trump is threatening to fire a considerable amount of the federal workforce if they do shut down. That itself could have negative effects on the economy because of the unemployment rate. So you'll want to watch those two factors. Overall, though, the stock market becoming numb to what's happening out of Washington, D.C.